Changing your payout method on Envato Tuts Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Envato Tuts Plus website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account management options. Step 3. Access payout settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select a new payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to use from the list provided. Options may include PayPal, bank transfer, or other payment services. Click on the selected method to proceed with the update. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new payout method, ensure you fill in any required details accurately. Once everything is complete, click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Envato Tuts Plus. Make sure to check your payment details periodically to ensure they remain up to date.